Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Chikage Windler.
3:21 tomorrow morning. You know what's happening? Winter. The winter solstice. Tomorrow is the shortest day of the year. Starting Sunday, our days are growing longer. So basically, the fact that it's going to be a frosty Saturday morning doesn't surprise me at all. We have yet, though, at Austin at Camp Mabry to see our first freeze, and that is overdue. Typically, it would be very early in December when we'd see that average first freeze. Still waiting. It's not going to happen tomorrow. 48 degrees the temperature currently. It will be cold, though. I'm forecasting 35 by daybreak in Austin. If you're in outlying areas, look at Dripping Springs, already 37. It's a good bet that you will likely see some of those pockets, those sheltered valleys, drop into the upper 20s to low 30s. So be prepared. People, pets, and plants, protect those. We're not going to have a long-lived freeze, so I'm not overly concerned about pipes. Really, you have to have temperatures for several hours in the 20s for that. But you can see temperatures are running as much as 9 degrees colder at this hour in Thorndale than this time yesterday. That's evidence of the new front that has pushed through, and our winds have turned calm. So we've got clear skies, light winds, low humidity, the front to our south, high pressure building in. Those are all the ingredients that set the stage for a cold night. First thing tomorrow morning, 35 in Austin, which is enough that there might be a little frost out on the grass or up on the roof. 33 in Burnett, 30 in Llano, 32 Fredericksburg, 35 San Marcos, and 32 degrees in Giddings. If you usually have a freeze when it's a little warmer in Austin, be prepared for that freeze and protect those plants. 63 tomorrow. Guess what? That is exactly on par with the average for this time of year. If you're heading the college football playoff game, 57 for tailgating, 63 sunshiny. Very pleasant light winds out of the southeast at kickoff and only cooling down into the 50s. After that, we're going to see a big warming trend, not necessarily noticeable through the weekend, but first thing Monday, you will notice it. And we'll see cloud cover on the increase, so not as cold Sunday morning out the door, and then increasing cloud cover through the day, temperatures into the mid 60s by then. Now, Monday morning, there may even be a small chance of some patchy drizzle or a stray shower as we get ready for Christmas, which at this point looks like it's going to be dry, but maybe sandwiched in between two potential stormy days. So just keep that in the back of your mind. There may be some issues Tuesday evening with a strong, possibly low end severe weather threat. We'll know more in the days to come, but for now, it looks like very warm weather leading up to Christmas.